Good afternoon, Hattiesburg. Thanks for joining us for this COVID-19 briefing for Wednesday, September 22nd. We will start with today's numbers for hospitalizations between Forest General and Merritt Health Wesley. Combined, we have 59 people who are COVID positive in the hospital today. Of those 59, 12 are in the ICU, and of those 12, 10 are on ventilators. We continue to make progress on hospitalizations now down below 60. That's a very positive sign for us as we continue to go forward. Just a note of those who are hospitalized, the 59 hospitalized, 4 are fully vaccinated. Of the 12 in the ICU, 1 is fully vaccinated, and of the 10 on ventilators, 1 is fully vaccinated. New deaths reported since Friday's briefing. We've had 3 more in Forest County, 2 in Lamar, bringing totals 236 total deaths in Forest County and 130 in Lamar. New cases today: Forest County had 44, Lamar County had 40. The inside 14-day number, this is the number of people who have received their positive test result in the last 2 weeks. Forest County now stands at 455, Lamar County at 413, a total of 868. That's a big improvement considering where we started the month over around 3,500, 3,600. To have that come down, that bodes well for us going into the month of October. So here, just kind of to compare to a week ago, and we're kind of seeing this trend as we had our weekly conference call today. Hattiesburg Clinic is seeing fewer cases. The health department is seeing less demand for tests, and all those kind of are illustrated right here. A week ago, we had 878 people who qualified in that inside 14-day. Now almost half that now. Lamar County fell from 646 to 413. So just a very positive trend to cut last week's total, which was on decline, in half again. Hospitalizations down by 20 and ICU down as well. One thing to note here, Forest County has finally scratched the surface of 40%, 35% fully vaccinated, an additional 5% receiving 1 dose. That's 303 above Friday. So getting to 40%, a big step for Forest County with a long way to go, but still something we should definitely celebrate. Lamar County still doing very well. 51% are now fully vaccinated, with an additional 6% having received 1 dose. That's an increase of 235 since last Friday, actually. I want to remind you, trust your doc, get your shot. Continue to help spread this word as we continue to post social media stories from people on our Facebook page. Some city news for you today. Our National Night Out, we typically have this in August, but because of the Delta variant and because of the heat, that was actually pushed back to October. We're going to do this National Night Out kickoff in conjunction with the first Live at 5 of the fall. And Mike Dusan and company will be the musical guests, but we do encourage you. There'll be several food trucks out there. There'll be all of our agencies will have booths there. Come see Live at 5, but also just come participate in the National Night Out Kickout. We appreciate Live at 5 letting us kind of join these events together. And also want to remind you that this is homecoming week for Hattiesburg High School. They take on Natchez this weekend. I know that the first 4 games have not ended like we wanted them to. However, we've played 4 6A teams, and we're a 5A team. And we took Meridian down to the final minute. And so there's a lot to be excited about in Hattiesburg High football as we start district play on Friday. So I encourage you to come out for the homecoming game, support your Tigers. That kickoff will be at 7 p.m. This Friday night. Our act of courage, I want to congratulate the homecoming court of Hattiesburg High School. Always an exciting time for these students to be elected by their peers to the homecoming court. So congratulations to them. And also congratulations to our 6 officers with the Hattiesburg Police Department who recently graduated with their Pine Belt Crisis Intervention Team certification. The CIT program teaches officers how to recognize certain mental illnesses and how to respond to them accordingly to try and keep both themselves and whoever they're dealing with in the public safe as well. This is a thing that's been going on in our state for about 10 years. I actually remember working on this legislation to start these CIT teams 10 years ago in the House. And so very rewarding to continue to see our officers, not only at Hattiesburg Police Department, but also both of our sheriff's departments and others go through this certification and pick this up because it's going to make them safer. It's going to make our community safer as well. As we continue in the week, remember to wash your hands, take care of yourself, wear a mask when you're around others, get your vaccine. Most of all, be kind. Have a great rest of the evening.